Alright, here's the install of the Midwest Military Cargo Divider for the Humvee. Overall, if I didn't have it here already, I probably would just consider making one out of wood and laminating it like I've seen some other people doing, or using that recycled decking material since it's super low tech and a super low tech application. As it was, I had a complete kit, was able to get it in a couple hours. I expected to be able to just drill a couple holes and fasten it in, adjust the gasket, and be on my way, but it ended up taking several hours. So one downside is this gasket piece you see here was off where I had to grind on both sides. It wasn't like I could move it over to one side to solve the problem. It was off in both directions. So I had to grind and try to get it to fit a little tighter than what it was doing straight out of the box. And like I said, the material is nice. It's just, it kind of lacks some of the detail to fit right in. Also, the bolts you see me drilling here, I'm putting in riv nuts and the fenders, but those riv nuts and that bolt position uh, conflict with the pieces that attach the little L brackets to the side, which seems like that could be fixed by putting those anywhere else, but that's where they're set up. Also, the hardware in the kit, it was all 1-inch bolts, so they're excessively long. Had to end up just cutting them all. Could have been a lot shorter bolts. The bottom ended up being kind of flimsy, so I fastened another piece in there, fastened it to the floor, and kind of did away with my ability to do a quick install and quick removal. But I mean, on the bright side, it fits mostly in place. It's a nice piece of aluminum. It's nicely bent and fits pretty straight across. In a couple hours, it's a workable solution. Then again, it's over 300 bucks and it doesn't bolt straight in. I had to take it in and out probably 6 to 9 times to get the thing to fit and make some adjustments with the grinder. It's a pretty quick install and probably even quicker if you're just riveting or bolting it in permanently.